Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the court. I am Attorney Gatson, and I will be cross-examining this young man right here on behalf of my client, Ziggy Doe, in the case of statutory rape. Please state your name and your being for the record in the court.
I am Officer Ice, testifying as a leading witness on behalf of the South Muncie Police Department.
Thank you. Now, Officer Ice, isn't it true that you just joined the South Muncie Police Department?
Yes, I just joined about 7 months ago.
Isn't it true that your training ended roughly around the commencement of the events that you were called to investigate?
Yes, actually, I just ended training a month ago.
So, would it be safe to assume that your competence when dealing with the situation, having as much gray area as this one, would be relatively low?
No, because I was trained by the best department in the area.
So you feel the training was adequate in preparing you for a case such as this?
Yes, my training was intense and put me in multiple situations where decision making based on ethics was the initial goal.
And so you were the cop to conduct the initial interviews of the women?
No, I was the cop conducting the initial interviews of the victims.
Victims.
Yes, victims.
Officer Ice, the case being heard today is for statutory rape. Are you aware of the nature of statutory rape?
Yes, we are well informed within the department.
Then you're aware that consent was present, therefore the young women are not victims.
Yes.
Okay. So let's talk about some things that we can both agree on. So Kat was the second person to report the incident, correct?
Yes.
Isn't it true that that it never occurred to you that Kat was maybe jealous, and so she was lying during her testimony?
No, I get it that they are teens, but it never crossed my mind. I have been working with the girls, and, I never got the vibes from them. I do not agree with that statement.
Okay, well, let's discuss more things that we can agree on. So the warrant that was signed by Albertson was only a cut and paste of your report. Isn't that right?
Yes, that is correct.
No further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.